Let's just eat.
Yeah, I feel much better now.
They're still extremely popular there. Sugar? Yes. No, not really.
These are delicious. Aren't you amazed at the quality of these vegetables in a prison?
We'll have a bottle of the Mouton Cadet, 1971.
Very good, sir.
Kipper? Thank you, Doctor.
What is this? Schwarzwälder Kirschtorte.
This is a great place. Have you always lived here alone?
You want some?
No.
Good.
Have you read Gulliver's Travels?
Gulliver's what? No.
Well, Jonathan Swift, one of the most interesting cities.
Who said I didn't know?
And Handel's Messiah had its world premiere here. Yes?
I love crusts on bread, don't you? Would you like a bite?
How long are you going to stay over there?
I don't know. I've never been.
Never.
No, never. I've something to do.
You must be very hungry.
Not much.
Where is he?
Watch the pipe.
It's his stomach that's done that.
Mr. Sherlock Holmes?
No. I am his brother, Sigerson.
I mean, I'm an extremely busy man.
Excellent. Please tender our compliments to the chef.
Please tender half a buff.
Of course, here you are, my good man. Everybody's a bit shot.
This is in mine. I ordered mine well done. Who's got the other hamburger?
Oh, is this supposed to be yours?
That's Jewish cooking, huh?
Lady good, huh?
But I'm still hungry.
Help yourself.
Chicken, 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 come here. I don't want to hurt you. I just want to eat you. I don't feel like eating.
Well,
Would you like a drink?
The doctor care for a brandy before retiring?
No. Thank you.
Some warm milk, perhaps?
No, thank you very much. No thanks.
Ovaltine.
Nothing.
Philippe, drink it. For France, drink it.
God! That's good!
Scotch and soda, please.
To complete assurance, trying on your grandfather's fork.
St. Louis?
A toast! A toast. A toast! To what? To failure. Oh, thank you.
Well, here's to an unusual man with an unusual job.
Who's that?
That's you.
Me? Oh.
Yeah.
Well, God bless. God bless. Good night.
Here's to you, John.
Happy days.
Here's to Emil Thomas Bergman. Bon voyage.
Mother feel, and I came up with...
That's 105%.
Any good?
Give me a little sip of that. Give me a little swig. Harry.
And don't forget.
Dude like head little. And just look at yourself. Down, down.
Food makes me sick. I hate the taste of alcohol, but if I don't drink, I feel awful. You're going out drinking?
Would you like a cup of tea?
Oh, no, thanks. I just had a pot full.
Another cup of tea?
No, no.
May I offer you some tea?
No, thanks.
Oh, milk or sugar?
Oh, no, thank you.
Oh, I'm sure I wouldn't.
Do you call this tea?
No, I call it hot water. I was just rinsing out the cup when you grabbed it.
May I have some tea, please?
Yes, you may.
There. I'm gonna keep...
Coffee, mister?
Okay.
Oh. What are you gonna do with it all?
Now, this is a good drink. Good. I don't know what the recipe is, but this is good. What is this?
Duffy, don't. That's your cappuccino.
You think this is cappuccino? Taste it.
Duffy,
Be my guest.
Don't
please.
start.
This is delicious. Boy, you can just... Coffee's very important to me. Yow! This is it. This is the best cappuccino you've ever made.
On a scale from 1 to 10?
8, 8.5.
But Your Grace, it's perfume.
Perfume.
Yes, for the bath.
Well, I know it's perfume. I was making a little joke.
Oh.